Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary tutorial featuring this 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. This is the Premier Edition that we're going to be taking a look at. What I'm going to show you today is something that all of these Suburbans and the Tahoes and whatever you may have in the 2021 model range have. If you look over here and you wonder what this little compartment is, you pull back on that switch on the right hand side, or button I should say, you just push it in and you can open that. What exactly is that? My hand fits in there pretty well, but what else does? Your sunglasses, or whatever kind of glasses you want to put in there. But that's what that is for, because there is no sunglass holder here on the upper console. So that's very easy to use. You're going to push that little button on the back to open it and then push it again to close it. A lot of people might try and push on that. See how I'm just pulling on that, pushing on it. It's not doing anything. You might break it that way. All you have to do is that, and you're all set. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, guys, please consider subscribing. And if you want to see a full tutorial on this 2021 Suburban that I'm sitting in, check out the link on the end screen. Thanks for taking the time to watch.